When you look at this front driver side wheel or tire, do you see any problem here? Right here. Okay, I'm gonna take you to the passenger side. On this side right here. Probably you're not gonna be able to notice the difference. Okay, my purpose for this video is just to show you, just by looking at the gap between the fender and the tire, I can see there is a bigger gap here than the other side. And I'm gonna show you how I know that. So this means this car probably has a suspension issue or was hit before. Alright, so I'm gonna go here on this side. Okay, so I'm gonna make a mark. Again, let's look at the front door, and this is the driver's side door, and this is the fender. The gap is fine here, there's no issue with the gap. That means this area here is good. Don't worry about this shroud that's coming out. There's some just debris inside here. You could push this one back, but here I'm gonna push this one. So this, I'm gonna go on a lower spoiler here, so you could see this is my mark. This is the clip that holds this lower spoiler. All right, so I'm gonna enter here between the tire on the spoiler. I'm gonna put my 3 fingers. As you can see, my 3 fingers is snug inside. It didn't move. It's very tight, this area here. All right, so let's go back to the passenger side and see what's going on. So this is the passenger side. Again, look at the fender on driver's side, passenger side, front door. This area looks completely fine. Going back to the same spoiler with that clip right here, that retainer clip, and I'm gonna put my 3 fingers again, and as you can see, they go in easy. You could see the gap. Let me just try to get the sun out of the way. Do you see the gap? So very much I could put my 4 finger inside. Okay, when I put my 3 like the other side, there is a gap right here. What this means, most likely this area here, the passenger side, is the correct one. That gap, it seems fine. The problem is in the driver's side. And if you take a measurement tape, measure from the center of this wheel to the center of the back wheel over there, this distance is gonna show more than the driver's side in length. So again, here is the driver's side again, and you can see my 3 fingers in. Okay, this is very tight. This means this wheel is pushed backward. It could be an accident, could be bad ball joint, could be control arm, knuckle, strut, anything in between. Those are the most common issues that those car or any car have. Looks like it was pushed by an accident or by the sidewalk, was pushed this way, push it backward. So that this one here, that's why I'm missing 1 finger here. It's only 3 I could put in. And again, if you measure from the center front to the center back, this is gonna show a shorter distance than the other one. So this means this tire is pushed backward. So this car, it needs to be put on a lift and checked underneath by a technician or somebody who knows suspension. But this is the way I spot it right away. And like if I'm looking at a car on the street, I could see this stuff. And you could do the same thing for the back, right? This is the back wheel here. You can see I could put my 4 finger on driver's side. Let's go to the other wheel. And again, I could put my 4 finger here, you know, just like very much, it's very, very close. All right. Usually the back one, they don't have that many issues. Most of the time, the front. So this car definitely needs further inspection. That's to show you how I do it on the street. That's very much it. Thank you for watching.